Managing energy consumption saves money, helps in mitigating climate change, and enhancing corporate reputation. In this lecture, we are going to study advantages and disadvantages of energy management. The primary objective of energy management is to achieve and maintain optimum energy procurement and utilization throughout the organization, which may help in minimizing energy cost and mitigating environmental effects. What is the importance of energy management? Energy should be regarded as the business cost, like raw material or labor. Companies can achieve substantial reduction in energy bills by implementing simple housekeeping measures. Reduction and control of energy uses is vital for an organization as it. Reducing cost is the most compelling reason for saving energy. Most organizations can save up to 20% on their fuel cost by managing their energy use. Reducing energy consumption also reduces carbon emission and adverse environmental effects. Reducing your organization carbon footprint helps build a green image, thereby generating good business opportunities, and reducing energy use helps reduce risk of energy price fluctuations and supply shortage. Refer this picture where importance of energy management is defined as to collect, manage complexity, capture, control risk, report accurately. Let us have a look at some other benefits of managing energy in homes and offices. In addition to financial benefits, energy management has other significant advantages for an organization, such as organization achieves stronger market position by demonstrating green credentials. Energy management improves competitive advantage as most consumers prefer to source from socially responsible businesses. Organizations adopting energy management system can influence supply chain by preferring suppliers who adopt environment management practices. Energy management creates a better workplace for employees by improving working conditions. The long-term benefit of energy management are: as the system matures, your energy management becomes more effective. You can continuously improve your energy performance at a faster pace. Energy awareness becomes embedded in the culture of your organization. You reap great strategic benefits. It reduces your energy use over the long term. By cutting your cost year on year, meeting your carbon abatement obligations, influencing the energy requirements of the entire value chain. Let us study the disadvantages of energy management. Unfortunately, the problem of implementing an energy services management contracts as well as documents. When selecting this financial option, avoid the following drawbacks. Establishing an energy baseline is crucial for project development since energy saving are an estimate between actual use and the energy baseline. There are adjustments to the energy baseline that decline clearly the method of adjusting for changes in weather, occupancy, etc. Cost avoidance. This term applies to implementing measures that allow owners to avoid future costs but does not save hard dollar compared to past budget. Excessive finance charges. Check interest rates of the fund borrowed against local banks or other national institutions to assure the competitiveness of finance charges. Another drawback is maintenance Agreement may be expensive in relation to value provided. This is for today. See you in the next lecture.